As stewards of architectural excellence, property owners continually seek solutions that preserve their building's visual allure and structural integrity. Render cleaning is an indispensable aspect of the maintenance journey, prompting questions about its longevity and lasting protection. In this expansive exploration, we'll unravel the intricate dynamics influencing the duration of render cleaning, shifting our focus to the innovative Algoclear Biocide. Unraveling the complexities of render cleaning. Render cleaning involves the removal of various contaminants from exterior surfaces, and its longevity is influenced by an array of factors. Environmental variables. A deep dive into the local climate's intricacies, including humidity and pollution levels, is essential to understanding how quickly surfaces can accumulate dirt and biological growth. The environmental tapestries significantly influence the temporal efficiency of render cleaning efforts. Methodological considerations. Render cleaning methods ranging from pressure washing to soft washing and chemical treatments play a crucial role in determining the effectiveness and durability of the cleaning process. The chosen method orchestrates the rhythm of cleanliness achieved on a rendered surface. Embracing Algoclear Biocide. Venturing into the realm of cutting-edge solutions, Algoclear Biocide takes centre stage with its biocidal properties. Let's delve into the distinctive features. Biocidal alchemy. Algoclear Biocide introduces a biocidal alchemy that cleans and establishes a robust shield against persistent contaminants. The biocidal prowess of Algoclear Biocide actively hinders the regrowth of algae, moss, and other biological intruders, contributing to an extended period between cleaning sessions. Enduring biocidal protection. In contrast to traditional cleaning solutions, Algoclear Biocide is engineered to provide enduring biocidal protection. The biocide forms a protective barrier, creating an inhospitable environment for contaminants and ensuring a pristine appearance over time. Precise application and ongoing maintenance. To optimise the effectiveness and longevity of render cleaning with Algoclear Biocide, precision application and ongoing maintenance practices are paramount. Expert application. Entrusting professionals for the application of Algoclear Biocide ensures precise coverage and maximises the efficiency of the biocidal solution. Professionals with their expertise tailor the application process to the specific needs of the building. Harmonious maintenance. Regular inspections and maintenance checks function as harmonious preludes, identifying signs of recontamination at the early stage. Implementing a structured maintenance schedule, including periodic reapplication of Algoclear Biocide when necessary, fortifies the enduring biocidal protection it provides. Conclusion. Render cleaning unfolds as a dynamic process influenced by various factors, and choosing cleaning solution plays a pivotal role. Algoclear Biocide, with its biocidal alchemy and enduring protection, emerges as exemplary choice for property owners seeking sustained cleanliness and protection for their rendered surfaces. By immersing ourselves in the interplay of factors influencing render cleanliness and embracing advanced solutions like Algoclear Biocide, property owners can confidently ensure prolonged and resilient defence against the persistent challenges posed by environmental contaminants.